In the hospitality industry, it's common that we may order product from multiple vendors. So I've created an exercise to illustrate this point, and then also to show you how to determine the amount to order and writing up a requisition for that order. So in this example, I have 3 produce companies: global, local, and regional. And for this, if I'm ordering for 3 approved vendors, I may look at the price, and that will be my best bid. But remember that the best bid is not always based on price. It may be the quality, and certain companies are known for having a higher quality on that, and I know from history that that's the case. In this exercise though, let's just take best bid based on price. So for example, for avocados, if I look at global, local, and regional, I see that global has the lowest price at $59.10. Global was my best company quote. Let's just do another one for example. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, the lowest one is from Global again at $10.90. So I'll go ahead and put that in. Cucumbers though, our lowest bid is from Regional at $10.91, and I'll put in Regional. And so I'll do this for the rest of the products that produce products that I have. Now getting on to determining the amount to order. The formula for determining how much to order is the par value minus what you have on hand plus any special orders. Special orders will be something maybe that I need for this coming week that's out of the norm. It's not something that I typically order. So in this case, the par value is 5 for avocados, meaning that I only want to have 5 on hand maximum at any time. I believe for par value, you should set a maximum on hand at any time for par value and a minimum on hand at any time, so that you don't want to have too much on hand, but you know if that it gets down to a certain point that you're not going to make it to the next delivery. So set a maximum and minimum amount. In this case, the par value is the maximum amount of 5 for avocados. I subtract what's on hand, so therefore I need to order 3 cases of avocados. For cauliflower, I have a par value of 5. I'm trying to build to that 5. I subtract the 1 I had on hand when I took the inventory, and I add in the special order. Therefore, I need to order 8. Cucumbers, I have a par value of 3. When I took inventory, I had a half a case, meaning that my goal then, I just really need 2.5 or 2.5 cases. However, I'm not going to order a half a case because some establishments won't break a case for me and let me order half, or they'll charge me more for doing that. So I'll go ahead and rather than ordering 2.5, I'll round up to 3. For grapes, I have a par value of 5. I have 1 on hand, so I order 3. And for green leaf lettuce, I have a par value of 5. I have 2 on hand, so I need 3. But I also have a special order of 2, so I order 5. And I'll keep doing this for the rest of these orders that I have. The next step that I want to take though is I want to write a requisition. So this requisition is based on things I only need from regional produce, not for every produce item, but I'm just writing this for regional produce. And the reason I do this is twofold. One could be some places have a minimum order that they won't do a delivery unless my entire purchase order was within a certain amount. Usually that's over maybe $100 in order for them to come out for delivery for me. And so if it's under that, I may go ahead, even though it's going to cost me a little bit more to order that particular product from another company, maybe they're charging me a few cents more, I'll order it from them just because I don't have a minimum order from the one I want. I also may use an invoice like this. If I do this in trying to train staff, is have them do this and then compare this purchase order to actually what comes in and the invoice that comes in. And is there any discrepancies in terms of what I ordered, the item, the description, the quantity I ordered, or what they charged it for me? Or have they extended the price correctly? This also may happen if you have a purchasing department. And so within a purchasing department in a hotel, for instance, when I requisition things out of purchasing, I may fill this out. So let's just do two of the items as an example. So I've identified that I'm going to be ordering green leaf lettuce from Regional Produce. The reason I did that, and go back and look, is for green leaf lettuce, produce was $8.97. Then I go to green leaf lettuce. How many cases did I need? I need to order 5. So for green leaf lettuce, I'm ordering 5 cases. I multiply that at $8.97 per case. Therefore, I'm going to be paying $44.85 for green leaf lettuce. Let's do one more. Another item that we identified to order from Regional Produce was cucumbers. I need, according to my determining amount to order, I need to order 3 cases of cucumbers. Therefore, if I'm ordering 3 and I'm paying $10.91 for each case, for cucumbers then, I'll be paying $32.73 for cucumbers. At the end of this, I'm going to look if there's any other items I need to order from Regional Produce, and if that's the case, I'm going to go ahead and fill that out right under cucumbers. And then at the end, I'm going to take my extended amount totals, add those up so that I come up with a total amount that I'll be ordering from Regional Produce. So for this example, the only other item I needed from Regional Produce was pineapples, and it comes up to being $117.50. Make sure when you do your homework, you also do that exact total so that we know for that total requisition. And this is where I said you can use this as a minimum order. So if it was $100, I know that I'm ordering enough for them to come out and do a delivery. Please contact me if you have any additional questions on this exercise.